Editing the homepage of your WordPress site allows you to customize how visitors see your website when they first land. Here's how to edit the homepage in WordPress. Set a static homepage. By default, WordPress displays your latest post on the homepage. To set a static homepage, go to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. Choose a page from the drop-down menu for your homepage and separate page for post if desired. Click Save Changes. Edit the homepage with the WordPress block editor. If you're using the block editor, go to Pages, All Pages. Find and click Home. Use blocks to add and customize text, images, headings, buttons, or other content. Click Update when finished. Edit homepage using a page builder. If you use a page builder like Elementor, navigate to Pages, All Pages, and click Edit with Elementor next to your homepage. Use the drag and drop editor to customize the layout, design, and content of your homepage. Once done, click Publish or Update. Customize widgets. You can also add or remove widgets from your homepage. Go to Appearance, Widgets to manage widgets for the homepage.